set is quite simply a collection of objects. When we write sets down, we put them in curly brackets. One example here is we have the set of the planets in our solar system. Another example here is we have the set of colors in the rainbow. The individual members of a set are known as elements. So we can see that this set here has 8 elements. This set here has 7 elements. There's a symbol which is written like this that means belongs to. We could say that orange belongs to the set colors of the rainbow. As with many symbols in maths, this can be negated by a line across. So the symbol with a line across means does not belong to. As we know now, Pluto no longer belongs to the set, the planets of our solar system.